a set of LED lights from eBay. Now, like a lot of dangerous electrical things, these came cheaply from China. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're a multicoloured LED setup, and the idea is that you can daisy chain them together with these cables. Now, they use this cloverleaf pattern, which you would have seen on laptop power supplies and similar things, but the sort of astute viewers, shall we say, have probably worked out where I'm going with this, if we look at what these plugs are. But back to the lights. So we've got our normal 240 volt plug and the cloverleaf socket and an inline switch which we connect to a lamp. I'll just demonstrate that now. So very bright, so far so good. Now, next lamp, so I'll cascade them together, but look at this. Okay, so this is the 240 volt feed into the next lamp, but right here we have pins live at 240 volts. And just to demonstrate this, I'll turn the lamp on, and here is a 240 volt 60 watt light bulb, 2 probes, and if we touch this here and here, here you go. So you can see, if I can get it to focus, yeah, the pins are live at both ends. So we have this situation where each time we plug in a lamp, we've got live connections, and they're not very deep. I mean, you can easily put your fingers in there if you wished. So next one, it's getting quite bright. The fourth one. And the last one. And they've thoughtfully provided a blanking off plug for the last one, which is all very good. That's provided you use it. But yeah, very colourful. I'll just turn them off. Now, having seen that little dangerous piece of design, we'll just have a quick look at the insides of these. Not too difficult to get the ends off. I'll just use a jeweler's screwdriver. So that little brass piece there, that's all that makes the earth connection through the aluminium. So I can't imagine that's withstanding 15 amp fault current before the fuse blows. And another interesting thing is that I'll just demonstrate this. The switch mode power supply inside these things is not isolated at all, so yeah, the LEDs are not isolated from the mains, which is a bit of a worry. I'll see if I can demonstrate that. Yep. So we've got continuity there. So you can see that the LEDs are mounted on this kind of like a aluminium substrate with, you know, hardly any insulation to the surrounding aluminium. So yeah, nice dangerous product, but as it happens these are going to be used on a inverter with a floating output, so the shock hazards aren't too great, but yeah, anyone using these lamps off the mains would be wise to think hard about how you're going to use them, and yeah, preferably have them on a circuit with an RCD.